Hi, I'm Roland from Impress Computers, your local IT partner here in Houston. If your business needs to securely share files, collaborate from anywhere, and protect sensitive data, we've got the perfect solution, Egnyte. Egnyte is an enterprise-grade platform for secure file sharing built for industries like construction, manufacturing, and professional services. You get real-time collaboration, easy access from job sites, offices, or home, ransomware protection, and built-in compliance. And here's the best part, Impress Computers manages it all for you. We'll handle the setup, data migration, user training, and ongoing support, so you can focus on running your business, not managing file servers. Ready to modernize your file sharing and keep your data protected? Call us today on 281-647-9977. Impress Computers, IT support that works.